to Reviews, and today I'm here with Wantable. I have never reviewed this before. So, Wantable is a clothing rental subscription, or I shouldn't say rental because you can keep things, you can send them back, you can do all that kind of stuff. All right, so they did send this to me for review. I'm going to tell you all about it. I'm going to try it on. Notice I'm not wearing any makeup. That's because I don't want to get makeup on clothes that I might be sending back. So they do have 3 different options. There's this style edit, which is what I'm reviewing right now. I feel like I should tape up my name here just because I'm like tossing this around with my address on it. Oh, Ashley, you're so silly. All right. Anyway, then there's also a fitness version, which I think is really cool. I was like, whew. If you're new here, hello, welcome. I'm Ashley. I unbox subscription boxes. I also do power yoga and CrossFit. So, so anyway, I almost did the fitness, but I was like, I want to see what's in this box first. There is also a men's subscription. So when you sign up, and I took pictures, if you're interested in seeing what the quiz is like, you could go check out my full review. I took screenshots of all the different questions they ask. There are about 100. So they get really in depth, or you can just go like, click the link below. That's my affiliate link, but you can see the quiz. You can take it and you don't have to sign up. I think there's no I don't think when you take the quiz, you're obligated at any point there. So there is a $20 fee. You get 7 items. Keep what you want, send back what you don't, 5 days to do so. And shipping is free both ways. All right, I think that is it. Oh, you can also, what I really think is cool about this, beyond the fact that it's so in-depth, like this is in-depth. Like they go way deep. Like I've done a lot of clothing subscriptions. This is the one that I think they ask the most questions, and they kind of really want to know more about your personality and what you like and what you don't like. I just thought that was so cool. So you can do this monthly or back to back. So like you get this, send it back, get another one. Monthly, bi-monthly, seasonally, or seasonally. So if you just maybe want to do a refresh your wardrobe once or twice a year, well, obviously 4 times if it's seasonally. But you know what I mean? Then like this is a great way to do that. All right, so we're gonna open this up. I do not know what's in here. I did not peek, but look, it says packaged especially for Ashley G. Just for me. My name on YouTube is Ashley Cox, but that's because I had the email associated with that before I was married. And my husband is always asking me to change it, and I'm too lazy. So, all right, so everything is all wrapped up. Ooh, there's something down there. All right, so anyway, I forget everything I said, but as we go through, I'll explain why I received certain items because, you know, I'll remember as we go along. And then I will try everything on. That should be fun. Ooh, look how pretty. All right, my favorite color is orange. Just so before we get in here, it's like I love orange, but I also love every color. So first off, we have a pair of jeans. This is from Kenzie, the Effortless Ankle Jean. And then they do, what I thought was really cool too, is they give you prices. So like, would you rather pay this much, or this much? You know what I mean? In case maybe you like really high-end clothing, maybe you're a bargain girl or whatever. So these are really like tapered leg. And then the back has a little gold thing on it. All right, so there's that. I wonder if there's a price. So these are $58. That's actually not bad at all. Ah, that's cool. All right. Next up we have, this looks like a scarf. Ooh. What would you call this color? There's a chartreuse. Is that the color I'm thinking of? Chartreuse. This is beautiful. This color. And the only color I didn't ask for was red because brings out my natural skin tone. All right, so this is from Pretty Persuasions. This is beautiful though. Oh, it's so pretty. And it's like soft and like luxurious. And every time I send like clothes back, I always like try to fold them up as nice as they came. I don't know who they hired to do that, but wow, they need to come over to my house and fold my clothing. All right, here we have something that's white. What could it be? Oh, I love this. It's just a simple blouse. Oh, this is like my style. Like just nothing like over the top, just simple and airy and light. And I'm gonna love, I want it right now. So this is from Cut from the Cloth, who I think they create like vegan leather. I just saw some of a vegan leather wall. I think it's in the Fab Fit Fun coming up next season. This is beautiful. I love this fabric. What is it? I want to know. I'll have to look then. Anyway, it's just like super, I guess like linen almost. It's beautiful. I love that. I'm going to put them on in outfits. I just decided. Because that is all going to go together. And I think that maybe that's the point, if you're going to get outfits rather than pieces. So that's cool. I did say that I pretty much wear almost anything, except I'm not into like animal print. Not my thing. So this is also from Cut from the Cloth. This looks very similar to a piece I have. I love when they have the buttons over here that pull the sleeve up and give you that 3/4 length sleeve. This is also light and airy. You probably want to put like maybe a camisole or something underneath. So there's that. Here's a t-shirt. Maybe you're supposed to wear that under. So this is from this is Wantable. I didn't know they had their own brand. This is super soft, like super like kind of stretchy. Relax around the house, run to Target, do your errands. Right there. I like that a lot. All right, then we've got, what is you? Another, ooh, look. Oh, it's a dress. I love this. Is from Socialite Clothing. I've never heard of that brand. I love this. Oh my gosh. I have something in orange. I have it in orange. Similar to this. This is like one of those just like house dresses. My husband calls it my house dress. It's got pockets. And I love this gray and brown. It's like so, oh, and it's so soft and stretchy. I love it. Oh, and it smells new. It's probably my favorite piece so far, if I can be honest. All right, so here's our send back bag. You put everything in there and drop it in the mail, and voila, you don't have to worry about anything else. There is something under here, and I think it's a coat. I'm not sure though. They do accessories. Oh no, it's a bag or a backpack. What? Oh, cool, because I love backpacks. I never used it. Well, no, that's not true. When I first had my first daughter, I have 4 children. When I had my first daughter, I had a typical diaper bag. As the years went by, I realized you can get very far with a JanSport backpack, you know? They have little holes for bottles. They've got all of it. Not that my kids ever use bottles, but true story. So this is from Sandra Roberts Squared. It's kind of got like that puffy jacket type of feel to it, and I don't want to take this off here. Then it's got this cool, what would you use this for? Somebody out there knows already. I don't have anything like that, so I don't know. But it's got that pocket. Oh, you better go on. There you go. And then this guy here, this is interesting. I'm sure when I read more in the little thing that there's gonna be some more description on how this is used. Because then you've got this here, it's very deep and can hold a lot of items. And then this stuff here, where obviously you put your wallet, your cell phone, the little things that you need to get to very quickly. I don't know that this is exactly my style, personally, but it's a cool item. I've never received anything like this in a clothing bag before. I did, however, say that I was open to receiving anything, just so you guys can kind of see what they have available. All right, so we're gonna look at the prices, and then we are gonna, I hope they have the prices. And then we're gonna look at, no, they don't have the prices? Really, guys? Oh no, here it is. All right, hold up. I was like, what sorcery is this? All right, so anyway, all right, so the Ramirez cardigan in Heather Gray is $78. So that's actually a cardigan. The girl in the photo here, she has it unbuttoned. I think it looks really good as a dress though. That's just me. Then we have the ankle biter and Vega Wash 8 from Kenzie. Those are $58. The roll tab crew neck tee in black by Wantable is $48. The blue top from Cut from the Cloth with the dots, the polka dots, is $68. The Cala wrap top in white, that's from Cut from the Cloth, is $58. That's beautiful too. The Eddie Nylon backpack navy. The SR Squared by Sandra Roberts backpack is $88. And then finally that the yellow scarf, they're saying it's gold, is $34. All right, so then it says here, handpicked especially for Asheli. Hi, Asheli. Welcome to your first style edit. I'm so excited to help refresh your wardrobe with pieces that match your lifestyle and style preferences. For a starting point, I am including a mix of pieces to scope out your style. I suggest trying everything on and playing around with different looks. Hopefully you find everything both practical and versatile. That was kind of one of my things. I was like, I'm kind of a mom on the go. I like clothing that isn't too much work because I already have enough work. I need my clothing to be working for me, not for it. All right, so I would love if you could leave me some feedback and let me know what does and does not work so that we can nail and fit your style to edits to come. So that's really cool. So you go on and we can keep refreshing our style, and maybe something changes, maybe life changes, you know what I mean? It's very cool. So now we're gonna start trying everything on. Obviously I'm not gonna try on the backpack because what do you need to see me in the backpack for? There's just no point. All right, anyway, I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm here. First of all, I love all these colors together. I think it's a very cool, clean kind of a look. This is the scarf. It's beautiful, it's soft. It looks great with this outfit. It's very nice. The pants I like more than I thought I would. I think they're like the perfect size for me, and they're like not stretchy, but they just fit to your leg without like that feeling of being like, I don't know. I have this, do any of you guys feel this way after you had kids? Jeans no longer fit you. I think it's maybe something to do with your hips. They just don't, like, you're like, I can't, like, cleaning the house in a pair of jeans before children was simple. Cleaning the house now in a pair of jeans, I'm like, oh girl, oh no, 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 we won't be doing that. But these are super comfortable. I love them. Like, they're really comfortable and they fit perfect. So these are a winner. And then this shirt is, I just love this shirt. I hope you can't see through it. I don't think you can because it has kind of like a double, there's double fabric. We'll find out when I watch this video. So that's all these. I really love these. So we're gonna move on to the next couple of items. I'm gonna keep the jeans on so that you can just see the shirts with jeans under them. You know what I'm saying, not my little workout shorts. Anyway, I'll be right back. Here's the next one. So again, these are also colors I love. I think they did a really great job of like making the color selections perfect for me. So this duster, I just paired it with the t-shirt. The t-shirt's really cute, the duster's really cute. However, I imagined it being more like, I keep calling it a duster. It was clearly called a cardigan. Gosh, Ashley. I think I like it better buttoned up. I like that kind of thinner, when it looks like pencil-y. Does that make sense? Probably not. So we'll look at it buttoned up real quick. I really like the buttons too. I just think that they're very, that gray, like that cool gray color feeling. That's me. All right, so here it is all buttoned up. I think I liked it better like this. I thought it felt very like kind of house, you know, comfy house clothes. So then I'll also show you the t-shirt, which is super comfortable. Oh man, I love that. It has like I'll show you in one momentito. If I could ever get these, there's like 50 buttons. All right, so we'll just take this off. And it's just I mean, it's simple, but it has the, like, it comes up on the sides to kind of give you that, like, a cinched look. And it's just super soft. And kind of like it's got space, room, move around. All right, so those are all the clothes are gorgeous. I don't know what I'm going to keep. Don't know. Anyway, I'm going to try on the last shirt, and then I'll be right back. Hey, all right, so this is the final shirt. Totally not my style. I'm gonna be totally honest. I don't like the way it feels. I don't like the way it looks. I think it's just not me, is all. It's not ugly or anything like that. I would not pick this. I would pick this maybe for somebody else. It doesn't suit my body type, I feel like. It just kind of hangs on me. But having said that, everything else is gorgeous. I love everything. The backpack, probably not my style either. I think it honestly would look really good with this shirt. But I think because I love blacks and whites and grays, those are always like, they nail it for me. And then those pops of color like the yellow and orange, things like that, they won me there. So the fact that, oh boy, didn't, you know, this is not something that I would pick. Oh boy, I'm not angry about that at all. So overall happy with this. Let me know what you guys think. I'm always interested to hear your comments and stuff. So I will link down below to my full review. So if you want to see that questionnaire, check that out. I'll also link to Wantable with my affiliate link, so you can check them out if you so desire. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.